Hello grade 8 students, welcome to a new English language lesson. 8a, Grammar. Our learning objectives for the class today. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to 1. Give personal or general information using the targeted grammatical structure with quantifiers. Write meaningful sentences using the targeted grammatical structure with the quantifiers. Now let's start our lesson for today with this activity. Classify the following nouns into countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Please, my dear students, pause the video here, read the given nouns in the box carefully, classify them into countables or uncountables, then check your answers with me. Okay. Sugar. Well done. It is uncountable noun. Book. Very good. Book, books. So it's countable noun. Money. Yes, it is uncountable. Water. It is also uncountable. Very good. Pen. Yes, it is countable. Pen, pens. Coffee. Yes, it is uncountable. Very good. Man. Very good. Well done. Yes, man, men. So it's a countable noun. Very good. Rice. Yes, it is uncountable. Very good. Paper. Very good. Paper, papers. So it's a countable noun. Room. Well done. Room, rooms. So it is a countable noun. Very good. Well, my dear students, now let's have a revision for a topic that we studied earlier in the first semester, Module 2C. 3. Grammar. Some, any, no, every, and their compounds. A. Read the examples below. Which of the words in blue refer to people, which to things, and which to places? 1. Disney made 2 short films about Mickey, but no one was interested in them. Then he thought of something else. He made a short Mickey Mouse film called Steamboat Willie, which changed everything. 2. His characters and films were popular everywhere around the world. So now, my dear students, the word which refers to people is no one. The 2 words which refer to things are something and everything. The word which refers to places is everywhere. C. Read the dialogue below. How are anything and nothing used? A. Did you buy anything? B. I didn't buy anything. I found nothing I liked. So, my dear students, anything is used in questions and with verbs in the negative form, whereas nothing is used with verbs in the affirmative form. Okay, now let's answer these questions about the words some, any, and no. Question number 1. Are some, any, and no used with uncountable nouns? Very good. Yes, they are. Let's see the example. I want to make tea. Is there any water in the bottle? Yes, there is some water, but there is no sugar. Question number 2. Are they also used with countable nouns? Very good. Yes, they are. With which form of countable nouns are they used? Singular or the plural? Very good. The plural form. Let's see the example. Are there any boys in the park? Yes, there are some boys, but there are no girls. Well, my dear students, please move with me now to the student book, page 99, point number 2, grammar. Quantifiers. Some, any, no, much, many, a lot of, lots of, a few, and a little. A. Read the dialogue and match to make rules. A. Were there any people in the building during the fire? B. Yes, there were some people on the 4th floor. A. Really? Were they injured? B. Fortunately, There were no injuries. The firefighters managed to evacuate the building in time. Well, my dear students, have a look here at the blue words, any, some, and no, and see the nouns that follow these words, people, people, and injuries. Please have a look at the type of the sentence or the statement in which they are used. Number one, were there any people? Of course, this is a question, right? Number 2b, yes, there were some people. An affirmative statement. The second one, there were no injuries. There were no injuries. Does it give a positive meaning or a negative meaning here? Very good, it gives a negative meaning. Okay, now let's match to make rules. 1. We use some. A. In affirmative sentences to give a negative meaning. B. In affirmative sentences, offers and requests. C. In questions and negative sentences. Very good, it is B. In affirmative sentences, offers and requests. 2. We use the word any. A. In affirmative sentences to give negative meaning. Or C. In questions and negative sentences. Well done, it is C. We use it in questions and negative sentences. 3. We use the word no. And very good, it is A. In affirmative sentences to give negative meaning. Well, my dear students, now let's discuss some rules for using the words some, any, and no. Some can be used with uncountable nouns as well as with plural countable nouns in affirmative sentences and offers. Let's see the examples. There is some water in the bottle. Some water. Would you like some biscuits? Of course, this is an offer. Any also can be used with uncountable nouns as well as with plural countable nouns, but in questions and negative sentences. Let's see the examples. Is there any orange juice in the fridge? Is there? Of course, this is a question. Let's see the other example. There aren't any biscuits on the plate. There aren't. This is a negative sentence. Let's move to the word no, which also means not any. It can be used with uncountable nouns as well as with plural countable nouns in affirmative sentences, but to give a negative meaning. Let's see this example. There is no chocolate in the box. No chocolate. So it means there isn't any chocolate in the box. Now let's practice using the three words some, any, and no. Choose the correct answer to complete the following sentences. My dear students, you can pause the video here, put your answers, then check your answers with me. 1. Would you like coffee? Yes, please. Thanks. This is an offer. Very good. Some. Would you like some coffee? 2. Are there students in the class? Yes, there are. Is it some, any, or no? Very good. It is any. This is a question. 3. Ali didn't tell me about the problem. I have idea about it. Is it some, any, or no? Very good. It is no. I have no idea about it. It gives a negative meaning, right? 4. There are books on the table. They are for Hamad. So is it some, any, or no? Very good. It is some. There are some books on the table. An affirmative sentence. Well, my dear students, please go back with me to the student book, page 99, activity B. Read the examples and match to make rules. 1. Mrs. Ahmed gave the cat a little water after the firefighter rescued it from the tree. 2. There weren't many firefighters, but they successfully put out the fire. 3. We have to hurry. We haven't got much time. 4. The fire brigade arrived after a few minutes. 5. Lots of boys want to become firefighters when they are young. Number 6. A lot of fires break out during summer. Now let's match to make rules. 1. We use many and few. A before uncountable nouns. B before uncountable or plural countable nouns. C before plural countable nouns. Very good, it is C. 2. We use much and a little. Is it with A before uncountable nouns or B before uncountable or plural countable nouns? Very good, it is A before uncountable nouns. 3. We use a lot of and lots of. Yes, it is with B before uncountable or plural countable nouns. Well done. Now, my dear students, please remember that we use how many for countable nouns and how much for uncountable nouns, of course, to ask questions about quantity. Okay, now let's discuss these rules to learn more about using the quantifiers much, many, a lot of, lots of, a few, and a little. Let's start with the word much. We use much with uncountable nouns in questions and in negative sentences. Let's see the examples. How much sugar do you need for the cake? We haven't got much money. So it is followed by an uncountable noun. Very good. Number 2, the word many. We use the word many with plural countable nouns, usually in questions and in negative sentences. Let's see the examples. Are there many chairs in the room? Many chairs. 2. There aren't many books in the bookcase. Many books. So it's countable plural, right? Good. Now we use a lot of or lots of with uncountable and plural countable nouns, usually in affirmative sentences. Let's see the examples. There is a lot of coffee in my cup. This is uncountable noun, right? Let's see the other example. There are lots of apples in the fridge. Lots of apples. So it can be also used with plural countable nouns. Let's go to the word few. We use a few with plural countable nouns in affirmative sentences. Let's see the example. There are a few magazines on the table. What about the word a little? We use a little with uncountable nouns in affirmative sentences. There is a little cheese on the table. There is a little cheese on the table. Of course, the word cheese is an uncountable noun. Now let's practice using the quantifiers. Choose the correct answer to complete the following sentences. Number 1, there are people in the park. It is crowded today. The given choices, much, many, and a little. Be careful to the word people. It is a plural countable noun. Very good, so the answer is many. 2, there is pollution in the city because of the cars, and the given choices are much, many, a few. Be careful to the word pollution. It's an uncountable noun, right? Very good, so the correct answer is much. 3, many students are absent. There are students in each class. The given choices, much, a few, a little. Be careful to the word students. Very good. It is a plural countable noun. So the correct answer is a few. Very good. 4, we have sugar. We should get more. The given choices, a few, many, or a little. The word sugar is an uncountable noun, of course. So the correct answer in this case is very good, a little. Excellent. Well, now let's move to activity number C. In the student book, page 99, circle the correct options. My dear students, please pause the video here, put your answers, then check your answers with me. Okay, number 1, Ali's got a few or little questions about the project. Be careful about the word questions. It is a plural countable noun, right? So the correct answer is a few. Very good. 2, can I have some or any water, please? Of course, the word water here is an uncountable noun. Can I have? Can I have? It is some. Very good. 3. Fortunately, there weren't any or no accidents. Of course, the word accidents is a plural countable noun, and the sentence here is negative. There weren't. So the correct answer is brilliant. Any accidents. Very good. 4. Even though Jasim hasn't got much or many money, he is very generous. So the noun here, money, is an uncountable noun, of course, and the correct answer in this case is very good. It is much. 5. Would you like some or a few help? And the noun here, help, is an uncountable noun, of course. We have an offer here, right? Would you like some? Very good. Number 6 now. The children had lots of or many fun at the park. Of course, the noun fun here is an uncountable noun. So the correct answer is brilliant. Lots of. Well, my dear students, now for more practice, please move with me to the workbook, page 109, activity number D. Complete the dialogue with the words in the box. Some words are used twice. The given words in the box are, of course, the quantifiers: some, much, many, lot, few, little, any, lots. You can pause the video, put your answers, then check your answers with me. Okay. A. How many have you got with you? Money is an uncountable noun, right? So the correct answer is very good. How much money? Very good. B. I have to buy my lunch. Why are you asking? Of course, we are talking here about money, right? So I have a little. Very good. A. There are of great books at the school book fair. There are a lot of. Very good. There are a lot of great books at the school fair, and I would like to buy. Very good. We are talking about the books, so the correct answer is a few. The problem is that I haven't got money with me, and today is the last day. Be careful about the word money. It's an uncountable noun. And of course, the sentence is negative. I haven't. So the correct answer is brilliant. I haven't got any money. B. How box do you want to buy? Box is a plural countable noun. So how? Very good. How many? How many bucks do you want to buy? Do you know how they cost? Very good. It is much. How much they cost? A. Well, there are 3 books I want to buy, but I don't know their price. B. Okay. Well, let's go and ask. Maybe we can choose books. Plural countable, right? We can choose, very good, some books today and pay tomorrow. Good. A. Good thinking. Let's go now, because there will be of students. So the correct answer is brilliant. Lots of students at the fair in the afternoon. And there will be fewer books to choose from. B. Yes, you are right. Class starts in 10 minutes. So we have very time. Uncountable, right? So the correct answer is very good. Little time. Thank you very much for watching this video, my dear students. Stay well. See you soon in our next classes. Goodbye.